Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ankki Technologies channel. Today I will introduce the Ankki database audit system to you. In recent years, data security incidents have occurred frequently. As an important carrier of data, databases also face internal and external threats and risks, such as technical risks, management risks, database attacks, and internal violations. Therefore, the database audit came into being. The product is based on traffic recognition and packet parsing technology, which monitors and analyzes user access to database operations, providing users with electronic evidence for tracing the root cause of accidents, and also provides efficient query audit record capabilities, quickly locating the cause of the event, achieving a three-dimensional defense effect of pre-prevention plus in-process prevention plus post-event evidence collection. It supports software deployment and also supports integrated software and hardware deployment, which can be deployed in virtualization or cloud according to customer needs and actual environment. This is the login interface. It can realize real-time monitoring and analysis of all database operations. The system can set database protection objects. It supports the setting of audit rules and policies. Also, it supports risk identification analysis, etc. The core capabilities of the product include supporting comprehensive audit of mainstream database operations, timely identification and warning of internal and external risks, which includes abnormal behavior, attack behavior, etc. At the same time, it supports online analysis of massive data and realizes refined monitoring and audit of the database through built-in audit rules. The following will introduce these core capabilities one by one. The system supports the audit of mainstream databases, including common relational databases, big data, Chinese databases, industrial control databases, etc., and can quickly adapt to the database according to the actual scene of the customer. Ankki is the only full supporter of Catch in China, and the first supporter of HBase and I-21. In actual application scenarios, developers or third-party personnel may create certain databases on their own and fail to report them for registration, or some databases may modify the default port without indicating it during deployment, which may cause some difficulties in managing their own assets. Databases scanned through conventional ports often have some omissions. The system monitors network traffic, identifies all assets in use, and brings these assets out for reference and confirmation, helping customers to sort out assets and include newly discovered assets in the audit scope to avoid unknown assets and audit omissions. The system supports automatic discovery of database assets through traffic identification and port scanning to form a clear asset distribution list to avoid unknown assets or audit omissions. It supports the audit of complex database operation statements, supports the audit of functions, bound variables, long statements, nesting, scripts and other complex SQL, and also supports two-way audit of request and return statements to achieve precise analysis and identification of returned data. Through refined behavior analysis, it can accurately identify the operator, operating terminal, operation time, operating tool, and operation content, truly reproduce the operation process, and provide electronic evidence for traceability and evidence collection. It supports the audit of sensitive data access through the configuration of sensitive data and rules, and timely discovers and blocks the risk of core business-sensitive data being leaked. Hackers illegally steal database data through attack methods, encrypt data, affect database operation, etc., and the consequences are immeasurable. By deploying the database audit system, it can audit and identify various hacker attack behaviors, including dragging the database, hitting the database attack, SQL injection attack, ransomware attack, vulnerability attack, etc., and block the risk behavior in real time. Different alarm methods can be adapted according to different platforms and environments. Through open interfaces and various protocol support, it can realize traditional alarm methods and also meet the needs of platform docking. Alarm policy: select alarm from high-risk events, medium-risk events, low-risk events, attention events, general events, and configure alarm recipients and various notification methods at the same time. It supports common alarm methods such as SMS and email to alarm the audited risks, to notify security administrators to deal with them in time, and reduce or avoid the occurrence of database risks. It provides a variety of database security audit analysis reports to meet the requirements of internal and external audits. Through the application of the database security audit system, it can bring multiple values to customers, including meeting compliance requirements, realizing sensitive data protection, preventing hacker attacks, preventing internal risks, visualizing database operation behavior, and realizing risk discovery and warning blockage. Well, that's a brief introduction to our database audit system. If you are interested in the product, please contact us by phone, email, or visit the official website. Look forward to the next exciting content.